Windows play a vital role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance of your home. Over time, however, even high-quality windows can wear out and lose their effectiveness. For homeowners in Richland Hills, recognizing when it's time to replace aging windows can make a significant difference in both comfort and long-term savings. If you've noticed certain issues around your home, scheduling professional window installation could be the right step. Here are some of the most common signs that it may be time to upgrade your windows. Rising energy bills. If your heating and cooling costs have been steadily increasing, your windows may be part of the problem. Older windows often allow air to leak in and out of the home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In Richland Hills, where summers can be extremely hot, inefficient windows can let warm air enter and cool air escape. Modern windows are designed with improved insulation and energy-efficient glass, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures and potentially lowering your energy bills. Drafts or temperature fluctuations. Feeling a draft near your windows is a clear sign that they're no longer sealing properly. Even small gaps or worn-out seals can allow outside air to enter your home. This can create uncomfortable hot or cold spots throughout different rooms. If you notice certain areas of your house feeling warmer or cooler than others, especially near windows, it may be time to consider window installation. New windows provide a tighter seal that helps keep your home comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you struggle to lift, slide, or lock them, it could be due to warped frames, damaged hardware, or long-term wear. Beyond being inconvenient, this issue can also become a safety concern. Windows that won't open easily may prevent quick exits in emergencies, while windows that won't close properly can compromise home security. Replacing them with modern, easy-to-operate windows can improve both functionality and peace of mind. Visible damage or deterioration over time, exposure to sun, moisture, and changing temperatures can take a toll on window materials. Cracked glass, rotting frames, peeling paint, or water damage are all signs that your windows may be nearing the end of their lifespan. Damaged windows can lead to further problems, such as water leaks, mold growth, and structural issues around the window frame. Scheduling professional window installation in Richland Hills can help prevent these issues before they become more expensive repairs. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fog, moisture, or condensation trapped between the panes of your windows, it typically means the seal inside the insulated glass unit has failed. When this seal breaks, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, reducing the window's ability to regulate indoor temperatures. Once this happens, the window's energy efficiency drops significantly. Replacing the affected windows can restore proper insulation and improve overall comfort inside your home. Excess outside noise. Windows also play an important role in reducing outside noise. If you've started noticing more traffic, neighborhood activity, or outdoor sounds entering your home, it could mean your current windows are no longer providing adequate insulation. Modern window designs often include multiple panes and improved sealing technology that helps reduce noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment. Outdated appearance. In addition to functionality, windows contribute significantly to your home's curb appeal. Older windows may look worn, faded, or simply outdated compared to modern designs. Installing new windows can instantly refresh the look of your home, improve natural lighting, and even increase property value. Many homeowners in Richland Hills choose window upgrades not only for energy efficiency but also for the aesthetic improvement they bring. A smart upgrade for your home. Recognizing these signs early can help you avoid higher energy costs, ongoing repairs, and discomfort in your home. New window installation provides benefits such as improved insulation, easier operation, better noise reduction, and a more attractive appearance. If you're experiencing any of these issues, scheduling professional window installation in Richland Hills may be one of the most practical upgrades you can make to your home. Modern windows are designed to enhance comfort, efficiency, and style, helping your home perform better for years to come.